Poverty, debt, misinformation. These three words encapsulate India's lack of financial literacy amongst the underprivileged youth.
So what is your solution? Here at Project Radha, we believe each and every child can be financially literate. Thus, nurturing children to make better informed financial decisions in the future is at the forefront of our purpose.
We aim to teach teenagers aged 13 to 18 the importance of saving and investment in a very interactive way, using roleplay, games, and questionnaires.
Our program integrates the key concepts of budgeting, saving, and investing so our learners attain a holistic perspective on what it means to be financially literate.
We have partnered up with the organization Pennywise, India's first Playway Method financial literacy program for kids, to help us with curating the perfect curriculum to teach.
So what's unique about Project Radha? Yojanas are government financial saving schemes for teenagers in India, which are completely free.
You would think that everyone is actively participating in these schemes, wouldn't you? We did a survey in November 2022, and astonishingly, most of the parents don't even know that these yojanas exist. Implication and education of these yojanas in government schools throughout India is what we seek to achieve.
So what has Project Radha achieved so far? We have successfully completed our first session at a local orphanage, teaching teenagers the following topics: banking, savings, budgeting, opportunity cost, and compound interest.
And it was a
Massive
Success. Our future plan is to find volunteers driven by the same purpose to exponentiate the impact of Project Radha.